Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your English instructor, Muhammad Hasnain, and I once again warmly welcome you guys to my channel. And today, as you guys remember, if you haven't watched my channel and if you are new to my channel, so I'm Muhammad Hasnain and I'm your new English instructor. So as you guys remember, in my last video, I gave some tips about English learning, and I thought that lots of people have problem with this one single thing. I said that for example, in that I gave a tip, which was that use simple words. But they say that sometimes we use so much repeatedly, we use some words so many times that we don't even understand that how many times we use it, and it becomes boring when we use it again and again. And I've personally experienced it. It gets quite boring when you're saying the same thing. For example, in a novel, if you're saying again and again, he was doing this, he did this, then he did this, then he did this, viewer's gonna be bored. He wants to understand that who did it, why did it. He wants to understand. So it becomes quite problematic. So for that reason, use simple words. I'm not saying don't use simple words, but use simpler, different type of words. For example, I've brought some alternatives for you people instead of yes. Now, what is yes? It is the antonym of the word no. Now, what is no? Nahi. That's no. And yes means हाँ, जी बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं? जी हाँ, why not? जिस तरह उर्दू के अंदर इसके लिए बहुत से अल्फाज हैं, जिस तरह की उर्दू के अंदर इसके अंदर बहुत सारे हमायनी अल्फाज होते हैं, उसी तरह इंग्लिश में होते हैं, that are called synonyms. So we have some hamaini alfaz here with us. So let's get into those alfaz. So I have got some synonyms, hamaini alfaz for yes. चूँकि हम लोग हर दिन कितनी ज़्यादा बार हम बोलते हैं yes, हाँ, जी. बट जिस तरह उर्दू के अंदर हम मायने होते हैं, इसी तरह यहाँ पर भी हमारे पास हम मायने. So let's get into it. Number one, yes and yup. I use this. This is not that much of a formal one. You can use it with your friends, not with colleagues. I don't recommend it with colleagues because they're gonna get kind of like childish vibes from you if you do that with your colleagues. But it's formal with friends. It's all okay with your friends, your sibling. It's okay. But if you're doing it with your parents or someone elder or someone senior to you or someone of the same rank as you, you should not say the word yeah or yup. For example, somebody's saying, do you want to go with me? Yeah, why not? Do you want to go with me? Yup. Do you want to eat some pizza? Yup. Indeed. Do you want to go with me? Indeed, why not? Do you want to have a party at my house? Do you want to throw a party at my house? Indeed, let's do it. Now, sure thing. Can you give me this chair, please? Sure thing, why not? Can you give me a slice from your pizza? Why not? Sure thing. Not at all. Do you mind giving me your computer for a moment? Do you mind giving me your phone for a moment? Not at all. I don't mind that. That's why people get this problem. They do not understand that do they mind or not. Like for example, they simply ask, do you mind if I take this chair? And if the person says yes, it means that the person is saying that yes, I mind it. So go now. But some people are so like weird. After listening, like once in my class, I remember there was a student, he was saying, do you mind if I take this chair? I said yes. And he just took it. And I was like, I told him that yes, I do mind it. So why he took it? And somebody says no or not at all, it means that he doesn't mind it. But when he says yes, it means yes, he does mind it. Absolutely. Do you want to go out with me? Absolutely. Do you want to go for Eid shopping? Absolutely. Do you want to go for iftar? Absolutely. Just as Imran Khan said, would you rather leave America, etc., like as the journalist said? Absolutely not. This was just a reference. No problems. So exactly. That was the answer in the question, right? Exactly. Yes, that was the answer to the question. Oh no, I wrote the wrong answer. This is what happens in papers with friends. Surely. Sure thing or surely. These are both like kind of same meaning, sure thing or surely, but you can use them with different various things. Certainly. Can I borrow some of your clothes? Certainly, why not? No doubt about it. There's no doubt about it. Is your sister mean? There's no doubt about it. Is your sister very rude? No doubt about it. That was just a joke. I was just giving you guys a small little joke. Now let's get on to this side. Now I'll give you one more thing. Guys have their own habit. I would recommend you guys, if you're saying yes, you have the habit of yes, you can say. My habit is why not. My habit is to say why not with most of these ones. Not a problem at all. Do you mind if I take your book? Not a problem at all. Can I take this? I want to take this. I want to take your eraser. Is it a problem to you? No problem at all. Sure thing, why not? Yeah, sure, why not? My favorite one, why not? I add it with every single one of them. Of course. Is she your sister? Of course. Is that your book? Of course. Is that your computer? Of course. Are those your subscribers and students? Of course. Definitely yes. It's quite definitely yes. It's quite like yes, but a bit more sure, or a bit more energy is shown in this word. As for alright means alright, you won the match. It is like that time when you are like pissed off mentally, but you have to admit that you have lost. Alright, you lost. Alright, we lost. Alright, hum haar gaye. So these are how these words work. I hope you people enjoyed it with me to this point of these videos, and if you haven't enjoyed, I hope you learned something at least, because that's why we are here. We aren't here for enjoyment, but I'll try to make it as infotainable. It's like my word now. Anybody can add. But like, I'll make my videos to be in the category of infotainment, so that it's neither too much info or neither too much entertainment. Because if it gets out of hand, it will be a problem. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for being with me, and that's all. Allah Hafiz.